Dear students, hope you are all fine by the grace of Almighty Creator. Today, this is our time to conducting another virtual class. I will conduct another virtual class for the students of class 5 English version. Today we will discuss chapter number 9, our duties and responsibilities. Our duties and responsibilities. That means our duties and responsibilities to the society, okay? After completing today's lesson, today's topic, we will be able to learn about the duties and responsibilities to the society, our duties and responsibilities to the society, and then learn about the health and safety at home. Health and safety at home. And we will be able to learn about our duties to the state, our duties to the society, our duties to the state, and health and safety in the family or at home. Okay, let's get into our lesson. Within a short time we will complete our discussion and you will have to do some homework as usual. Okay, there are 3 more lessons. Okay, that means 4 lessons in this chapter. Lesson number 1 is our duties to society, and lesson number 2 is health and safety at home, and lesson number 3, safety on the roads, safety on the roads. And next, our duties to the state, lesson number 4. This is a very short chapter. Okay, I am telling you again and again that by taking help from your textbook, you will get a fulfilled knowledge about this chapter. Okay, I am just helping you, associating you. Just read through the book, okay, textbook, and marking by highlighter the important points, or you can get help from the associate book by seeing or by checking the previous year questions, and then you will be able to get the idea about the important topic, about the important questions, about the important keyword for short question, for fill in the blank, for matching also. Okay, when I will complete my discussion each and every chapter of our syllabus, and then I will take some exercise class. Okay, that time I will throw challenge to you that okay, let's do the answer from your competency, from your ability, because you are already complete the discussion about this chapter with me. That's why you have to answer the question by reading the lesson again and again. Okay, let's start our discussion chapter wise, lesson wise. Lesson number 1, our duties to society. What are our duty? What are our duty to societies? There are some more examples here. Let's discuss. Look after younger children. We should look after our younger children. That means he or she, maybe my siblings, okay, or my neighbor, or my relatives, the younger children, the whole don't justify the right or wrong, what is dangerous or what is not. This kind of younger children, that means 0 days, that means 1 days to 10 years children, 5 years children, 6 years children. So we should protect them from the fire, from the electricity, from the water. This is our duty, from any kind of danger. And then help anyone in need. We should help anyone to our society, in our society in need. If we will not able to help as my capability, anybody who is seeking help from me, I am not a human being. Okay, we should help anybody according to my ability. Okay, this is our duty to the society, duty to the society. And then respect older people. We should, obviously we must respect our older people. We must respect our older people, because one day we will grow older. That time we should respect to our younger. Okay, so if we want to live in peace in a society, we should respect our elders. They demand from us, they expect from us this kind of honor. At the next, protect our local amenities like playgrounds, parks. We should protect Sargari Mal, Darya ke Dal. Not like this. Okay. We should protect our playgrounds, parks. We should not throw waste here and there. Okay. We should keep them neat and clean as my personal property. Okay. Like my personal property. Because I have also the ownership, the social properties as the member of the society. Next, be safe on the roads. We should be careful in crossing roads or riding bicycle or going or the driving any kind of motor bikes or motor cars or motor vehicles, okay, in roads or walking beside the roads in the pavement. We should be careful for our safety first situation, okay, personal safety. And be aware of stranger danger. Stranger danger, that means in the school, when you generally come to school, anybody offer you some sweets, some chocolates, chips or any other things who is unknown to you, he or she is called stranger, aguntuk, অচেনা ব্যক্তি, অপরিচিত মানুষ. We should be aware about the stranger dangers. We should not fall into the trap of the stranger. Okay? Please read the book and if it gets clear concept. And will not harm anyone. Will not harm anyone. Without any cause or any cause, we should not harm anybody. If he or she might harm me, I can take shelter of the law. Okay? Or the formal way. Don't harm anybody from hesitations, from mental pressure. Okay? Don't harm anybody. And then we'll obey the rules and regulations of society. We should obey the rules and regulations of the society. Okay? We can't do anything as my wish because we have to live in a society with which if I violate the laws of society, the society will not be stable. That's why we are all have to suffer a lot. So we should obey the rules of society for the betterment of us, my family, my relatives. Okay? Thank you. And the lesson number 2, health and safety at home. This is the lesson number 2. The example of health and safety at home like that. Be careful with knives and scissors. In family, cutting some things, we should usually use knives or scissors. Should be careful because with unconscious mind, we can cut our fingers or any kind of accident may be occur because of our unconsciousness. So be careful to use this kind of knives and scissors. The next is don't touch electric switch with wet hand or bare feet. Sometimes from when we go to the washroom, touching water, using water, we hurriedly go to stop the switch. This is not wise doing because wet-handed switch touch, if you touch the electric switch with hand, this may be shocked and dangerous electricity overflow with my body. Okay, this will be take death toll. Okay, be careful. Don't touch electric switch with hand or the bare foot. Okay, or the bare feet. Thank you. And the next is label medicine and pesticides. Any kind of medicine is the poison. So you should label the medicine so that unconsciously anybody take this medicine, dangerous occurrence may be held for this wrongdoing. Okay, And pesticides, just mean bleaching powders or the Harpic like that. So they have pesticides for your gardening or for the planting some more things. We have to collect some pesticides. Please label in the bottle, in the pot, about these dangerous ingredients, chemical ingredients. Okay, this is the family safety kits, I think. And turned off gas or electricity. We should turn off our gas line or gas stove or the electric switch for saving our national resource and for the safety, for any kind of dangerous occurrence or any kind of dangers, keep us free from any kind of danger. And the next, be careful with fire. If we have to burn fire for many purpose, for cooking purpose, we should control them by water, okay? Or turn off our gas stove. So be careful with match, with mosquito coil, okay? And the next, have a first aid box at home. We should keep a first aid box in our home for our primary treatment, okay? And the next, don't open the door to a stranger. I talked about this before. Don't open the door for the stranger. If anybody knock your door, you have to see, okay, first, or talk with him, who are you? Don't open the door for the strangers without the permission of the elders. Okay, lonely, don't try to do this, okay? Don't be brave. So braveness will hamper your life, okay? May causes some more dangers. And the lesson number 3 is safety on the roads. Yes, we are all well known about the safetiness in the road. We should use the pavement or the footpath. And if we want to cross the road, we should use the overbridge, okay, or zebra crossing. Overbridge or zebra crossing. This is the safetiness on the road. We are all the smart persons of the year, of the era. So we should learn, we should know about this. We must follow these regulations for our safetiness. And the next lesson, the last lesson is our duties to the state. We should obey the duties. We should obey the duties to our state. Okay? If I want to observe, I want to consume some more rights, I should obey some duties. I should maintain some duties to the state. Like that, to receive a state education, we should try to get the education provided by the state. Not the segregated education is not good for the community sentiment, okay, national sentiment. Our national education is good for us, so we should try to absorb this kind of education which is provided by our national education policy, okay? And then, to be loyal to the state, we should be loyal to the state, okay? Because we are the citizen of this state, we can get some facilities from the state, so we should be loyal to the state. And the next, to obey laws. As a good citizen, we must obey the laws of the state, legislative laws of states, okay? The next, to pay taxes. If I am earning citizen of the states with the criteria of paying taxes, I should pay the tax for the maintenance of the state expenditure, paying salary to the police, paying payment to the teachers, paying payment to the government officers, or the road constructions, or the public constructions, some things. We should pay the tax to our government as a good citizens, okay? These are our duties to the state. And next, to vote. We should vote in the national or the local elections for electing our representatives, national or local. These are our duties to state. Don't neglect the voting power of ourselves. Okay? and to protect state properties. Yes, like playground, like schools, roads, culvert, bridge, many other things, forest, water. Yes, we should protect our state properties or national assets, social assets as the citizen of the particular country, any country. We should protect our national assets. Okay, thank you very much for staying with me after reading this lesson. Okay, you should find out 20 keywords from these lessons for making fill in the blanks. First of all, you have to check the previous year questions from the associate book. Getting help from the associate book is not so bad if you can use this book appropriately. Not learn from this book directly or memorizing is very harmful. First of all, you can check the previous year question, the fill in the blanks from this chapter, which are common, and then you can find some word like this important. Okay? Thank you very much. Stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.